Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Fareed Bisharat and I am with my partner Abdul Manan here to present our project FYP, which is implementation of a weather radar analysis and flight path alteration function of Copilot using AI applications. This project was supervised by Sir Irfan Majid. Here is a little sequence of our presentation, which will be talking about the background, working methodology, and then sharing our results and tests with you. Coming towards the background of our project actually is, so as you know, the workload on pilots have drastically increased over the past few years. So we are basically working on a Copilot application using artificial intelligence techniques, which would basically focus on the weather aspect of flight. And the first thing it would do is it update pilot about upcoming weather disturbances, and then the second thing it would do is further guide pilot to take precautionary measures to avoid weather disturbances. Here is a work timeline of what our project constitutes of. To elaborate it a bit, this is how our project actually works. The first thing our project would do is detection of weather disturbances ahead through weather radar, and the second thing our application would do is guide the pilot to take alternate paths, which are here signified as red lines. Here is a literature review of Airborne weather radar. Here is the model of monostatic pulse radar we created. Here are its results, detecting the range results, and here is the Simulink model of our pulse Doppler radar using radar equation, radar range equation. Here are its results, and the main thing we have used in this project is machine learning, and Python is the language we have used since it is one of the most used and supported languages in today's world. Here is a little coding we did into our 2D model to feed our application. As you can see here, this picture here signifies the straight line signifies our paths, our flight path, and the square represents a weather disturbance. So what our project aims to do is to detect these weather disturbances and then deviate accordingly. Here is the different data sets we gathered to feed our system. Here is this table shows that how we had gathered different data by testing. It's the same thing here, and here are now the results of after we have fed our system. These are the results which it showed. The next thing we did is convert our system to a 3D model, and here as you can see we have a model from a flight from Karachi to Islamabad, and again the same thing. And here you can see at last that how our system, when fed with different data about the aircraft location and weather disturbances, it instructs the airplane to deviate from its location. So that's how our project works, and this is a little summary of our project. And if we talk about the future advancements, we can go towards autonomous aircrafts and AI based emergency landings through this project. Thank you.